Hey Style Dolls, it's your girl Millie from the Style Plug. So I've been lounging all day and I said, you know what? I have to let these Style Dolls know what new arrivals I have. So this is going to be another unboxing video. We got, look at this. Isn't this cute? I love it, I love it, I love it. It has a zipper in the back. It's just good. Look at that. This will be loading soon, so make sure you go to our website, which is www.shopthestyleplug.com, to sign up for our email list, so you'll be the first one to get notifications when we drop our new merch. Thank you so much for supporting the Style Plug, and again, follow, share, like, and comment. Bye, Style Dolls.